We got some tasty barbecue. I'm not sure what that is. It's maybe pork or yak or something. I don't know. There's lots of things I don't really know what they are. But there's some chicken feet. Something else. I don't know what that is. Some chicken legs. Some chicken wings. Some pig brain. Some fish. Something else. Some shrimps. Some other things with some shrimps. I think that's like pig cutlet and stuff. I'm not really sure. I don't really know what that is. Not sure about that. All what that is either. And here's a nice lady who doesn't want me to video her. Oh wow, she's got the same stuff too, but no pig brain on that side, just on this side, baby. Update, that one's a pig intestine. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going for the kill. It's the chicken foot time. 1 second. You gotta prize these buggers apart. Oh shit.
说起美国电影也有新浪潮运动，正是因为60、70年代美国电影的新浪潮的发展，所以导致更多元化的电影作品历史歌曲。那新浪潮这个名字最早的时候要追溯到法国，当时在法国的一份快报周刊的一位记者叫法国啊，他是用新浪潮这个名词来形容今年哪里开始出现一些很新鲜的类型片，例如在当年有著名的导演。 And that's all that's left, ladies and gentlemen.